Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. Today I will give the information about how you can apply for transfer credit. So this is basically for the student who already completed their bachelor in their own country and who take the diploma course in George Brown College or in other college. So there is one option to you can apply for transfer credit which subject you already studied in your own country. So you will get the credit in your regular subject. So you do not need to study that subject which you applied for transfer credit. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So let's start from wage, which is the main important document. When you will apply for the transfer credit, the wage report is the most important. Without the wage report, and due to this corona pandemic, you cannot apply for transfer credit in George Brown. Before that, COVID-19 college allow transcript, so you do not waste to spend $300 for the wage report. Just you need to give your transcript to the college and they can transfer the credit. But due to this COVID-19, you need this wage report. As you can see that, so as you can see that this is my wage report. So let's start from how you can apply for wage World Education Services. So first you need to go to this website, WES wage. Now you need to go here where you use evaluation, so for Canada. So now you have some stages. You need to apply which purpose you want to apply. So we have education. So as you can see, the wage standard application, click here, start application. You need to fill some details here. Okay, so now next. So now that is the main option here. There is also some step for the purposes you want to apply: education, employment, profession, and immigration. So we have education purpose. So select education, select the education level. So as you can see that what is the level of education you are pursuing, that's mean the which course you selected. If you select the diploma course, so you need to select the freshman admission because it is the undergraduation course. So select the undergraduation, select the next process. So now you need to add the credentials, select the add. So now that is the one more important thing, you need to add your education, your college, and these all details. So select a country of education. I select India. Okay, to 2016. Now save. Now traditional process is done. Now you need to press next. So now this is the mailing address where you can get your wage report like that. And now if you want a more copy, so you can select here and you can add the number of copies here. So now here is the place that at the institute you want to your report sent. So select here and select your college where you pursuing your college. I pursuing in George Brown. So I select search and you can get the result one here, George Brown College, and also select the division. You need to give your report to international and domestic admission. So select here and select the department. Now as you can see that your report your address is automatically generate here. So simple. You do not need to do anything, just leave here. Now next. So now next one is processing time. It take almost 7 days. I applied on 15 December and I got the report on 21st December. Those days count when the wage get your transcript from your college. So you need to mail your college to transfer these your transcript to the wage service. So when wage get your transcript, your process is started. And so now I talk about the payment. You have some options here. So select here, I select this all. So when I select this option of $245, so when I select this option of $245, they get this all service, and they automatically send your transcript or this wage report to your institute, so you do not need to transfer this mail to your college. So select here $245 option and select the next. So now if you want to track your detail, you can select give the extra $25, and if you do not want to track, you can select $10. I do not give $25 for the tracking, and that's it. Now the next button. So you can see that your education is here. Now next one is, so as you can see that the requirement checklist, that is the last step. You need to give you need to just upload your degree certificate on the wage application, and you need to tell your university to transfer your transcript and your result to the wage. So as you can see that here the process, the upload the one copy in your account, and this one is the here our college, and our college or university transfer the report to the or transcript to the wage. So now here is the post address. So now you simple click next. So as you can see that you need to confirm one more time your details and select here, so everything is right. Go to next, select, confirm. So here as you can see that the total amount is 288 you need to pay. You need to select the process here. Once you select and submit, you get the reference number, which is the most important for your application. So now when you done your payment, you get the reference number, which is the most important. When you email your college to transfer your transcript to the wage, your college need your reference number. So once you done your payment, you get the reference number. So this is the process for the wage. So now I will tell you one more detail, and which is the GTU and the wage has the collaboration. You can easily apply for your transcript to the wage. So simple, you need to log in on your GTU student ID, as you can see that, and now you need to click here, click for a new certificate requirement. So now select here by the post, and you need to add your home address and all details. So simple, press next. Now here you need to select where you live. There is the three option where you can apply. So I select the Surat. Now you need to select certificate, select and transcript. As you can see that here you have option student want to GTU to send the electronic copy of transcript to the wage directly. So yes, so you do not need to do anything, just here as you can see that wage reference number, that number you get when the payment is done. At that time you get one number, you need to write the number here, and it start from R with number, so you need to just write the number of copy, message if you want to write anything. So and now you need to upload two documents. One is upload your identity proof. You can add your passport or your Aadhaar card, anything. And one is you need to upload your degree certificate and select submit. After that, when you select the submit, you need to pay 250 Indian rupees for this process. And once you done this process, after that within 3 to 4 days you get the confirmation on your application status. Currently I 7 exit, and that's it. This is the process how you can apply on wage and your university to transfer your transcript. So now next process is how you can apply your transfer credit in George Brown. So as you can see that in this screen, George Brown College already upload how you can apply the transfer credit. So I also give this link in description, so you can easily open this video, and you need to follow the steps and you need to complete the step. After that, once you done your application, so after that you need to wait until your wage report is not ready. So Once your wage report is ready, you get the confirmation from the wage that your report is ready. And also you can do the mail for the college, they get your report or not. So you will get the information here, the college will receive your wage report and anything update. College give you the update if they get the report or not. So after that you need to wait until your semester start, and it's take 3 weeks when your course is started. During this period you need to check your status. So once you get your mail, you will get the mail for the approved or denied, because there is two option if you want to accept this transfer credit or not. So there is two options, so you need to select the accept the exemption. So after that, once you complete this process, your course is neglect. So now when you get the mail from your college that your transfer credit is approved, after that you need to follow one more step to accept this transfer credit. So for this you need to just log in your studio account. After that you need to select the registration services. In this option you need to select on registration, and in this tab you get so many options. So among them you need to select the register course and drop semester or course. Once you click this option, you get your course and the code after code. So just you need to select your code, and in the below you get the continue. You need to select the continue option. After that you get the this kind of uh, line. As you can see that the CRN number and accept and register for the course. So you need to select the apply accept exemption. Once you do not select it, that means you do not need to transfer your credit. So once you need to select the accept the exemption and click continue. After that you get your schedule, so which already you applied for the semester. So you do not need to anything, just go down and there is two option, drop the course and submit the registration. And also in this your schedule you get the assumption accepted. So don't worry, select your submit registration. Once you done your registration, you get your new timetable, and in your new timetable the subject is removed. So I will show that image. So as you can see that on the left hand side which was my old timetable, and right hand side which is my new timetable, which is approved or changed after the my application is approved. So as you can see that on the left hand side I apply for the my maths subject, because I already studied in my country. So as you can see that in the Monday I have maths, and also on the Wednesday maths subject which is removed after the accepting the transfer credit. As you can see that my new timetable is on Monday and Wednesday there is no maths. So this is the main process which you need to done for the applying transfer credit, and you have to save money. You do not need to pay money for this subject, because which is already you studied in your country, because maths is same in around the world. So you can get this benefit, and also it is to save your time during your course. So that's it for this tutorial and video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet in new video. Thank you.